Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to extract text from anywhere on your screen using PowerToys Text Extractor. This powerful tool lets you copy text from images, videos, or even locked PDF files, just like magic. Let's get started. First, make sure PowerToys is installed and running. Open the PowerToys dashboard and click Text Extractor from the left panel. Turn it on using the toggle switch at the top. You'll see the shortcut key for this tool, Windows plus Shift plus T. You can change it if you like, but let's use the default for now. Now let's try it with a few examples. Example 1, extracting text from an image. Open any image that contains text, for example, a screenshot or a photo with writing on it. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T. Your screen will dim slightly, and your mouse cursor will change. Click and drag a box around the text area in the image. In an instant, PowerToys will copy the text inside that area to your clipboard. Open Notepad or Word, and press Ctrl plus V to paste. You'll see the extracted text appear, clean and editable. This is perfect when you want to copy text from a scanned document or a picture without retyping it. Example 2, extracting text from a video. Let's say you're watching a YouTube video, and you want to copy some text that appears on screen, maybe a quote or a subtitle. Pause the video at the right moment. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T again. Draw a box around the visible text on the video frame. PowerToys will grab that text instantly. You can then paste it anywhere, for example, into your notes or a Word document. This is great for students or content creators who want to capture key points or captions from videos quickly. Example 3, extracting text from a locked PDF. Sometimes, PDFs are scanned or protected, and you can't select the text directly. That's where Text Extractor really shines. Open the PDF and go to the page that has the text you need. Press Windows plus Shift plus T, select the text area, and release. The tool will copy the text behind that image to your clipboard, even if the PDF doesn't allow selection. Paste it into Notepad or Word, and there it is, fully editable text. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Full Course Online for more easy, practical tutorials like this one.